On May the 8th, 2020, the COVID-19 pandemic evolves and so does our Springwater response. Staff continue to monitor the situation and the Township Community Control Group meets on a regular basis via conference call and communication with Council. The provincial directives indicate that some restrictions can begin to loosen as the COVID situation in Ontario plateaus, but we have not yet seen a downward trend of new cases. For long-term care facilities, we are working to comply with the provincial mandates that all residents and staff are getting tested. If people have secondary residences to go to, the Ontario Chief Medical Officer of Health is discouraging going there at this time. If you can demonstrate that going there is essential and you ensure proper physical distancing and public health measures, then you're able to go. Campgrounds and RV parks remain closed unless it is your primary residence in Canada. And those who are staying in an RV park must get special clearance from the Simcoe Muskoka District Health Unit by following a number of guidelines on their website. The easing of restrictions will be a slow and controlled, phased-in process that allows for the province to monitor and adapt the plans as needed. Recent public health restrictions and ministry announcements include: today, on Friday, May the 8th, garden centers and nurseries can reopen to the public, not just curbside pickup and delivery, and they need to implement health and safety measures similar to those in place for grocery stores. The province has released over 60 industry-specific health and safety guidelines to ensure businesses are opening safely and responsibly. Tomorrow, on Saturday, hardware and safety supply stores can reopen to the public under the same conditions as just mentioned. Additionally, tomorrow, May 9th, certain construction projects, such as condo buildings, are able to move forward. This next Monday, retail stores with street entrances can reopen for curbside pickup and delivery only. Emergency orders have been extended to May the 19th. Golf courses and marinas can get prepared for their season, but they cannot be open to the public just yet. The province has also announced that it will be resuming elective surgeries and procedures. Again, this will be a phased-in approach to ensure that our hospitals have the capacity to deal with any potential future COVID outbreaks. Springwater remains as last reported, with 6 confirmed COVID cases, of which 4 have now recovered, 1 is self-isolating, and 1 has passed away. Good news, the new Elmvale and District Food Bank building construction will break ground next Tuesday, May the 12th. Staff and council are working on our township recovery plan, considering a phased approach to reopening in line with the provincial and health unit guidelines. Further details will be released in the next week or so with respect to this. As we begin to see some of the restrictions open up, please remember to adhere to our existing closure of facilities and amenities throughout the township. At this time, all parks, playgrounds, outdoor fitness equipment, ball diamonds, sports fields, and the Orr Lake boat launch remain closed. Our township street sweeping is continuing. This week, it will include Phelpston, Hillsdale, Elmvale, and Orr Lake in that order. Weather permitting, the street sweeping should wrap up within the next 2 weeks. Please remember not to pile your sand at the end of the road, as the sweeper is unable to pick up piles. Rather, sweep it into a line on the street side in front of your property. Additionally, please continue to follow the guidelines of the local public health unit and maintain a distance of at least 6 feet from the nearest person when you are out. Wash your hands frequently and avoid touching your face and avoid all non-essential travel. Stay informed by checking frequently the township's updates at www.springwater.ca/COVID-19 or by following the township on Facebook or Twitter. Have a great, safe weekend as restrictions loosen up a bit. Let's remain vigilant by doing the right things to work towards defeating this pandemic. All the best and stay healthy, and a special happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. Thank you.